Have you ever heard someone say, someone's probably already invented that? Hi, I'm JD Houvener, owner, founder, and patent attorney here at Bold Patents Law Firm. I'm here to shake this myth up, grab it by the neck, and hopefully get you to think differently. If you've ever thought, someone's got to already have thought of that, I'm going to just forget about that idea. Think again. Think again. It isn't trying to come up with an invention that nobody's ever thought of out of the blue. In fact, around 80% of all patents issued today are improvements, sometimes actually really small, incremental improvements over and above the prior art, right? Standing on the shoulders of the prior inventions they came from. It's a ton of improvements, and that may be enough to warrant that big market success you're looking for. Just a few examples. I want to make sure you think about these. The Swiffer mop. Before the Swiffer mops existed, you bet. And it's just a matter of putting it on a different type of a pad that's replaceable, and boom, huge market success. The Dyson vacuum, hundreds of patents cover those, but each one didn't revolutionize it. It just made it a little bit better, a little bit more efficient. And over time, they carved out a massive patent foothold, an incremental way over time to build up that huge snowballed success. Next example is the EpiPen. For a lot of allergy sufferers out there, shots and injectors existed, but having it be a quick, easy to use auto-injector was that incremental improvement that brought it over the line to be a huge market success, not to mention a health-wise improvement for a lot of humans. So don't think that your invention's small, tiny, insignificant, and that someone else has already come up with it. That could be you. So take action today on that small improvement. Make the world better. Book a discovery call. Go to boldpatents.com. Take action today. Thanks again, everybody. Have a great day. Go big, go bold.